2005 BMW 545i V8. He's gonna drift this thing. So I said, okay. And he wants to piss off the neighbors. So we're like, as you guys can see, we can make it as loud as we can, and we did. There's the cats there, in there. Then it wires into a single there, with 3-inch pipe all the way back, connecting to his existing 3-inch, and he had a muffler delete done somewhere else when he just bought this car this morning at 8 o'clock. So as you guys can see, there it is. It has the M package bumper, but he doesn't want it. He's gonna drift it, he's gonna abuse the car, which I don't blame him. Let him have some fun with it. There's the 2 resonators that come on it. There's the big resonator that comes on it, so it comes with a total of 4. We cut it all off and made it beautiful. Yes? Yeah. I like it. There's sound decibels. Bro, it hit 120. Wow. That's awesome. Gotta back it out. BMW 545i straight pipe. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW 545i. Got M5 wheels on it. Still looks cool though. Those wheels look good on it. Lowered. That was close.